Hello folks, Clinton Tyler coming to you guys on June 5th on behalf of the Real Supermarket Magic. Just letting you guys see my startup kit came in today. It came in a priority mail envelope, oversized envelope, and the contents thereof were 2 travel certificates, and you can see one is an 8-night 7-day, and the other is a 3-night 2-day vacation. One is for the resorts and one is for places like Las Vegas, Brandon, Gatlinburg. It's not focusing. Kissimmee, Myrtle Beach, Orlando, Pigeon Forge, Reno, Nevada, and a host of others. There it is. It's focused pretty good then. And also inside were 200 postcards. It came with 100 postcards and 100 leaves. But if you took advantage of this special before June the 1st, he added an extra 100 postcards and an extra 100 leaves. Also, there's 6 coupons for groceries and different restaurants that you can redeem on the back. Also, it came with 200 leads, a host of leads here. I'm getting ready to get these out today. And I got another 200 leads from an outside source. Also included is a W-9 form that you have to sign, fill out and sign and send back in. If you don't have this back in, you can't get any commissions. And also there's a mailing list order form and a flyer form. And this is just on the inside of the startup kit, just letting you know what's included in your startup kit. And that's my ID number 107170. And it's just listing everything, all the contents that's in your startup kit. So there you have it. In a nutshell, you got your leads, you got your postcards. Those are the 2 most important things. These are just incentives, which are great. You know, you've got the travel discounts and you've got your grocery coupons. We all know how expensive groceries can be, but we've got that solved here with all the coupons that you can get for your groceries. Like I say, all you got to do is turn the certificates over for the redemption details and have those coupons coming to you and your family. So once again, Clinton Tyler showing you guys that if you followed my video from yesterday, you saw I got a $50 gift certificate for a gift card from Walmart. And that came before this startup kit came. So that lets you know the owner is very expeditious. As soon as you get a sign up, within 24 hours, he's getting that gift card out to you. And if you guys saw my video, you saw that I had mine. Okay, folks, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Love you.